Hello everyone, my name is Sulabh Nepal and my student ID is 261405447, and today I'm going to present the project our assessment, that is hospital management system. It's basically a console application made in Python. The main idea is to know what an admin person does in a small hospital, that is giving the list of a doctor, knowing which patient is assigned to which doctor, or how many patients are there, how many doctors are currently treating which patients. So the first thing that is we do is we log into the program. That is, when we run a main.py, we would go in this interface, and when we do this, or when we enter admin as a username and 123 as a password, we go to see 10 different options. That is, first one is to either register or view or update, as well as delete the doctor. Second option is to discharge patient. Third is to discharge which patient was discharged. Fourth is assigning doctor to a patient. Five is relocating the patient to a different doctor. Six is grouping patients by family name. Seventh is management report about the total number of doctors or the total number of patients being examined by a certain specific number of doctors, or to obtain the admin details as well. And the ninth option is to add patients. Let's head out to the first option, that is to doctor management. Here we can register our doctor, view our doctor, or update and as well as delete. For let's first let's register doctor. So I'm going to put my name, and as in specialty I will go for ENT for now. So as here is written that doctor is registered. So now if I'm correct, if my program is correct, then I get to know see my name in this list when I enter the option number two, that is view. So I can see my name here, Sulabh Nepal. The specialty is ENT. So let's update the doctor uh, in 1 and 3. So I can update the doctor. First, I need to put the ID of the doctor. That is, my ID is 5. Let's put 5 for now. And now I am to change my specialty, that is 3, to a specific, that is Optim. Mm, let's go for gynecologist. Okay. So if I view once again, then my specialty should be changed to gynecologist from ENT. So now let's delete the doctor, since I'm not a doctor, so let's delete that. We go to option number 1, then we press 4. It is delete. Now I will put the ID of the doctor to be deleted, that is ID number 5. Let's go 5. And if my program is not wrong, then if we can see the doctor is now no more. So let's move on to next, that is discharge the patient. Okay, so there are currently three patients here: David Smith, Mike Jones, and Sarah Smith. So first we will have a confirmation option, that is, do I really want to discharge the patient? I will put a Y and discharge the patient, enter the patient ID. So we need to put the ID of the patient, that is, let's suppose we'll be discharging David Smith. The ID is 3. Now discharge, it will again ask, it has written that patient has been discharged successfully. Do you want to discharge? No, for now, not. So we'll put N, and the operation is successful. Now let's see which, either the discharged patient is the list is shown here or not. You can see the ID is 1, the David Smith. Here it was David Smith now. Now here is in the discharged patient. Now let's go to 4. Assign a doctor patient to doctor, since there is the David Smith has been discharged. Here's no name of his. Now let's put Sarah Smith for now. That is 1. 2 different doctor. Let's suppose she needs a surgery of heart. Then let's put her to 3, to Jane Carlos. The patient is now assigned to a doctor. We can do like this. Now if she has another medical problem, like complications aside from heart, then we can relocate the patient. That is at 5. Now we can again do for what we did of Sarah, right? And now we can put the Sarah's patient ID here. Now we're gonna put it to pediatrics, that is 2. Now the patient has been relocated to Jane Smith. So like this, now we can allocate, I mean, we can group the patients by family name. That is, if we put six, then here the patients, and into the, now we can group the patient by using comma. We can do Sarah's, let's not put the name, but the ID. 1, comma 2, comma 2. Let's put the family name, the Smiths. So the now the family is grouped under the name, family name. I mean, the patients are grouped under the names of Smiths. So this is how we can group patients by family. Now we'll go to management report. When an admin asks for a management report, we get these things. That is, there are total doctors for John Smith, Jane Smith, which is now currently treating a patient, Jane Carlos and Alice Green. The appointments per month per Dr. John Smith, there are no appointment recorded. Jane Smith February, which is the current month, and this program was just currently done. So is two patients are in under them right now, and for Alice Screen there are no appointment recorded. So the total number of patients based on the illness type are none. So let's go to update the admin details. So choose the field. Now we can do it. We can either change our username or the password or address. For now, let's change our username to add from admin to Sulabh. Okay, so the username has been updated successfully. Now we'll add the patient. So imagine if I'm like, let me be the patient for now. So I'll put my name, my surname, my age, my mobile number. Let's just put 1, 2, 3 for this, and my postcode about this. So I'm suffering from something. Let's suppose I have a broken leg. So a patient has been registered and saved to patient.txt successfully. Now we can see that my name has been recorded here. Oh, I'm in this file. Sorry. Still of Nepal, age 20. This is this, and my symptom is broken leg. This one was this one. Okay. So now we can, after all this, we can just if the every work is done, we can just put 10 and quit the program.